Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making a homemade version of McDonald's new breakfast sandwich. I didn't taste it, however, I'm gonna make it. So I made my biscuits, cut the bacon, and if you watch my channel, I made honey butter, like a little syrup, and I had some left over and I said, don't throw this away. I had it in the freezer. I'm gonna take a little chunk of it and put it inside of here, and I'm just gonna let it melt. I'm gonna put it on medium. Now, it's honey butter, so use honey. However, I don't have my honey. I have maple. That's what I will be using. If you don't got that, you want to use syrup, you got syrup, use that. But if you want to stick to honey, go right ahead, but don't expect me to do it because I'm not. I want more of that butter, so I'm going to put another little chunk. I'm going to put it back on the heat, but I'm going to keep the stove off. Alright, it melted. I'm going to taste a little bit. Yes. I tasted brown butter and I tasted that sweetness. This is good. Okay, these are the biscuits. We take some of my sauce, some on each side of the bread. I've seen some reviews that said it don't taste the honey butter as much. I guess they didn't put too much. They should have had a dipping sauce too, because some people want a little extra on theirs. Alright, I put the sauce. Oh, nothing. Just make me an egg real quick. Since I forgot. When I tell you I forgot to put eggs, since I'm going to bring the brown butter across, I got leftover brown butter. Like I said, if you've seen that video when I made it, I had a couple leftovers, so I'm going to cook it in brown butter instead of regular butter like I usually make it in. When it's melt, I'm going to crack my egg. Just put a little black pepper, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. Because it's salted butter too. If it was unsalted, then I'll put some salt. Got my egg. Alright, put that bacon on now. It's hot. I've been cooked it, but I got it, in the warmer. And it's really hot. And when you make it yourself, you can put as much bacon as you want. Why is it so freaking hot? Scorching. That's y'all. Like I said, I got that butter on there. Okay, the rest of the brown butter, I'm gonna pour it in here. Like on my other biscuit, I rubbed it in the brown butter. There's a little bit on here. On the top. Don't get me wrong, this is delicioso. Even though bacon got its own, salt. However, the pan that I use, I had made something before it and I left it in there. So the seasoning this is super seasoned. So I'm not tasting the brown butter as much, but it ain't gonna hurt me because I got extra. Yeah, that's good. I'm tasting more of the brown butter. Now it is ripping up to pieces. Got more liquid I'm putting on here. But that combination with the sweet and salty is good. Now, what I think would taste really good with this, with the brown butter, if you had it on the croissant. A croissant already buttery, so adding that brown butter, if I had a breakfast sandwich, I would have used that. I would have put that and bacon. So I want both of them on my sandwich. But yeah, try this, y'all. It's a little messy, I ain't gonna lie. It's a little messy. Try this though. I want to give it a 10, but I'm gonna give it a 9.9 because I do want the brown butter just to be a little bit more because it is brown butter, but it's delicious. So make this. You can get McDonald's, or you can make your own, or you can get both. You have this thing.